Can you speak a language without using pronouns? It's impossible. The question is, does Arabic has the same rule? If you are interested in the answer and want to learn how to conjugate Arabic verbs, then you must watch this video. This is Easy Arabic and I'm Jimmy. Pronouns in Arabic are part of almost every sentence, so they are a must-learn lesson. Also, pronouns in Arabic belongs to the category of nouns. Therefore, every rule that applies to nouns will apply to them as well. They are used to substitute for nouns and to refer to them. For example, Tom طالب أجنبي. هو من أمريكا. Tom is a foreigner student. He's from America. Pronouns in Arabic are divided into subject, object, and possessive pronouns. Subject pronoun is the most used form, and it has two types: separate subject pronouns, attached subject pronouns. Subject pronoun in Arabic is more specific than many other languages. For example, you in Arabic has different ways depending on who you are addressing it to. So if you address two people, you use a subject pronoun different than the one you would use for a single person. Also, if you are addressing more than two people, you will use another form. Let's take a look. Separate subject pronouns. First person. أنا. نحن. Second person. أنت. أنتِ. أنتما. أنتم. أنتن. Third person. هو. هي. هما. هم. هن. Finally, as you saw, most of subject pronouns have a masculine and feminine form. Attached subject pronouns. It is not separated like the past form. It is suffixes which is attached at the end of the verb. So next to each separate subject pronoun, we will see the attached subject pronoun. Tu. Ne. Te. Ti. Tuma. Tum. Tunna. فتحة. ت. و. ن. It is also the suffixes that is added to verbs when you conjugate them in the past. Example. كتبت. كتبنا. كتبت. كتبتِ. كتبتما. كتبتم. كتبتن. كتب. كتبت. كتب. كتبوا. كتبنا. Object pronouns. Object pronouns refers to the object of the verb. The object pronouns doesn't have a direct alternative word. Instead, it appears as suffixes attached to the end of the verb. Ni. Ne. ك كي كما كم كنا هو ها هما هم هن سألني سألنا سألك سألك سألكما سألكم سألكن سأله سألها سألهما سألهم سألهن. As you see, you just choose the pronoun and attach its suffix to the verb to indicate that this pronoun is the object of the verb. Possessive pronouns. You use possessive pronouns when you want to express that something belongs to you. Possessive pronouns are also used to indicate the ownership of something. Possessive pronouns are also suffixes, but it is attached to the noun. The object and possessive pronouns suffixes are exactly the same, except for the first person singular. Let's take a look. I ne ke ki كما كم كنا هو ها هما هم هن كتابي كتابنا كتابك كتابك كتابكما كتابكم كتابكن كتابه كتابها كتابهما كتابهم كتابهن. Don't forget that this lesson is too important. You must learn all types of pronouns by heart and try to practice them. You can find the link to download hard copy material for this lesson in the description below. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, give it a thumb up. Don't forget to place any questions in the comments below.